Okay, next experiment is 4-bit binary to gray converter using XOR gate. So, gray code is actually one where two successive values differs in only one bit. Okay, so I will show the table there. You will understand. So this is the 4-bit binary to gray converter. So for 4-bit binary, we have here a 0000. Binary code is gray code is also 000 only. For 1, it is also 1. For binary 0010, corresponding gray code is 0011. For 3, it is 0010. For 4, it is 0110. So up to last 1111 is actually 1000. So we have to uh, convert this binary into gray. Okay, so now you can see the difference between two successive bits here. Okay, so you can see here, sorry. You can see here. So how it is converted with only one bit. So this is the 4-bit binary. So 0000 is there. Now next bit is 0001. So these three bits are same. There is a one difference here. Coming to 1 and 2. 0000 is actually changing to 1. 1 is changing to 0. So two bits are changed. Okay. Two bits are changed. Similarly, you check all. You check here 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 from 1 7 to 8. 7 to 8. 0 1 1 1 2 1 0 0 0. 1 is changed to 0, 1 is changed to 0, 1 is changed to 0, 0 is changed to 1. So all the four should change the states from 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So four changes are required. But if you see the gray code conversion, for any successive 2, only one bit changes will occur. See here 0 0 0 0. Next is 0 0 0 1. So only one change. Next is from 2 to next one. 0 remains 0, 0 remains 0, 1 remains 1 only. This is changing from 0 to 1. Similarly, from this to this state, 0 remains 0, 0 remains 0, 1 remains 1 only. 1 remain change it to 0. So for current state to next state, only 1 is actually changing. Similarly, you check all. Okay. For every from one state to next state, only one bit is changing. I am go to the last one, 100 to this. Okay, 1 remains 1 only, 0 remains 0 only, 0 remains 0, 1 is changing to 0. Similarly, from 0 to this state, last state to first state. Okay, 0 remains 0, 0 remains 0, 0 remains 0. This one is going to change it to 0. So I can connect this last state back into the first state so that one circle will come. So that's why it's also called as cyclic code. Okay, so if you see the conversion, uh, compare column 4 B3 and G3. So G3 is entirely the same as B3 only. So G3 is same as B3. G2. So G2 you are going to get by doing XOR gate of B3 and B2. These two last two column of binary. If you do XOR gate, you will get this. See here 0 XOR with 0 0. 0 XOR with 0 0. 0 XOR with 0 0. Okay, 0 XOR 1 output is 1. 0 XOR 1 output is 1. Here 1 XOR with 0 1. 1 XOR with 0 1. 1 XOR with 0 1. And now last 4 1 and 1 XOR with 1 0 1 XOR 1. So in XOR gate, if the inputs are same, output is 0. Here also inputs are same, last two columns here, last 4, so output is 0. And for others, inputs are different. Here 0 0 0 is there, here 1 1 1 is there. So if inputs are different, output is 1. Here 1 1 is there, here 0 0 is there. The XOR gate of 1 and 0 is 1. Similarly, G1 is obtained by doing XOR operation of B1 and B2. So this B1 and B2 do XOR operation, you will get this. Similarly, G0 is obtained by doing XOR operation of B0 and B1. So this is the expression. This how we got. You can see the any LD book using K-map and simplification. You will going to get this expression. Okay, and the circuit diagram is. Let us assume binary B0, B1, B2, B3 also I can write. So I wrote here binary of 0, binary of 1, binary of 2, binary of 3, gray of 0, gray of 1, gray of 2, gray of 3. So binary to gray converter. G3 or gray 3 is same as binary 3. So direct line should be there. Next to G of 2 or gray of 2 is equal to XOR operation of B2 and B3. B2 and B3 XOR gate will get G2 gray 2. Gray or gray of 1 is or G of 1 is B2 XOR with B1. Okay. Similarly, G of 0 is B of 1 XOR with B of 0. So for this we can write simple program. Okay. You can go simple program only, no need to write structural, and because you already learned how to use structural in case of decoder, in case of adder also we did already how to use write XOR gate. So here no need to go for XOR operation. In the exam if they ask, you know already the procedure, okay, you can do it. But here I am using a normal data flow. So module name is binary to gray. So input is binary 3 down to 0. Output is uh, gray. You have to declare as output. It is also 3 down to 0. So just give the assignment 4 statement is enough. Assign gray of 3 is equal to binary of 3. Or simply you can write G of 3 is equal to B of 3. That is depends how you are declare here. If you declare here only G and only B here, you can use that one. So since I assigned here gray and binary, I am using this. So assign gray of second bit, gray second bit is binary bit 3 XOR with binary bit 2. Assign gray of first bit is binary 2 XOR with binary of 1. Gray of 0 bit is binary of 1 XOR with binary of 0. Only these 4 lines you have to type. Okay, so now we'll do this. Okay, I declared binary and gray now. So I'll open that file. Okay, I'll open that project. Binary to gray is already there, so I'm opening it. Okay, so you have to right click here, add new source. Okay, select Verilog module, type here binary to gray. Okay, B to G. So type here bind. You can write only B also, no problem, because in the waveforms and all I wrote gray, so that's why I'm writing for gray. So both should be 3 down to 0. Gray is actually output. By default input will be there, you change it to output. This is also 3 down to 0. Click next button. Click next button. So once you click it, you will get this file, binary to gray file. So only these 4 lines you have to type. Type only these 4 lines. Don't change anything. Type only these 4 lines. Okay. Gray of 3 is equal to binary of 3. Gray of 1 equal to B3 XOR with B2. B2 XOR with B1. B1 XOR with B0. Okay. Okay. Now check the syntax of this one, this file. Go to simulation, check syntax. If no errors are there, now we will add test bench for this file. So right click on this. Okay. So here I already created, that's why it is coming. So just I will tell the procedure. So right click on this, click Verilog text picture. So you write binary to gray test bench. Okay. and click next. It will ask associate file. You write B to G binary to gray file you select. It will automatically show that. Okay, you click next. So once you click next, so it will open this file. So here I already added, that's why I am not adding once again. So when you are doing, you have to add it. So now you have to type this. Okay, binary 0 and gray 0, it will binary 0 will give. So next you have to type all this. After 100 nanosecond, binary is equal to 1. After 100 nanosecond, binary is equal to 2. Or you can also write now. In terms of binary means what you have to write. You have to type 4 binary is equal to, okay, 4 bit. You have to write 0000. So like this you can write. Okay. Next 4 bit 0010, next for 0011, 01000, like that you have to write. Otherwise directly write decimal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is in decimal. Automatically it will be converted into binary. Okay. So 100 nanosecond binary is equal to 1. After 100 nanosecond binary is equal to 2. So binary values 0 to 15 is given here. Okay. First value is 0. You can see here. First value is 0. After 100 nanosecond, it is changed to binary 1. After 100 nanosecond, binary is changed to 2. Last case, you can see binary made 15 and wait for 100 nanosecond. So check the syntax of binary text bench here, binary to gray text bench. So I changed something. So this is comment. Okay, no errors. So now we have to simulate it. So click on test bench. Don't select original file. Click on test bench and simulate it. Okay, you will get output. In my system I have to click 2 times. Okay, it's giving some error. I think I have to delete. So once you run that simulator, you will get this output. So click on this zoom to full view. So this is how to verify the output of binary to gray converter. So for 0000 binary, the gray output is also 0000. For 0001, it is 0001 only. For 0010, 0011, 0011, 0010 you should get. For input 0100, you should get output as 0110. Next for 0101, you should get 0111. Okay, and you have to verify all the combination. So it will show up to 1000 nanoseconds. So remaining, if you want, I can click once again. I think once again if you click, it will continue. All 15 combination 0 to 111 combination output you can see here. So verify the truth table of this all combination. Once 2 3 combination coming correct means all will should come, definitely it will come. So this any in randomly any 3 combination you have to verify. So for implementing this file, okay, right clicks, add new source. Okay, that source is binary to gray. It is an implementation constraint file. So 4 inputs, 4 outputs. No, so net binary of 3, binary of 2, binary of 1, binary of 0. The first 4 bits connected to FRC1. Okay, connect to FRC1, 80, 81, 82, 83 pin details you have to give. Output gray numbers, gray 3, gray 2, gray 1, gray 0. Use FRC number 2. Connect FRC1 to switches, dip switches, so that you can give zeros and ones. And output you connected to FRC2, you connected to the LED. In the switch you make 0, 0, 1, 0. Random combination I'm doing. Output you should get 0, 0, 1, 1. That means two LEDs should be on. 1 means on, 0 means off. Okay. So verify any 3 or 4 combination. So after adding implementation content file, you click the tab from simulation to implementation. Then you click on generate program file. Okay. So translate, mapping, place and route, everything will be tick marks. After everything is over, bit file will be generated. Next you click on configure device. Then you have to skip bypass the first device. Second device you load a bit file and right click and program it. Once it is programmed, connect FRC1 and FRC2. Okay. Once you fix that USB cable to your laptop or your system, that programmer LED should glow green color. If it is coming red color, then you have to check the connections. Okay. If everything is okay, once this program is over, verify the truth table of binary to gray converter. You can see that output in the another video. I'll upload in the Google class and YouTube. You can check the how to verify the output of this file. You can check later. Okay. Thank you.